Okay, this is our last part of this project. So what we need to do, we have this, right? This, and API is very important because it just deliver the request from the user side to the back end. And here so we go back to the console, search API gate rate, right? Okay, gate rate. API gate rate. The choose API typed. I'm not to explain every single type of this API. I just follow the instruction first. Build REST API. Build new API, right? And the name we just give it a or while race, okay, while race. No need to give any description here because it's optional, okay. Choose Edge automate great API. Yes, very simple is that. Just wait for a while, refresh the page. Okay, we can see this has been created by us. So go to just click into it here, and then stage. Did you see? And resources. We need to create resource, but what we have to do is go to the authorizer. Authorizer creates authorizer, and the authorizer name is while race, okay. And authorizer type is what we have created cognito, right? Do you remember the user pool name here? We just do this, and then yes, the name exactly we want to use. Token sources we just type authorization. Here no need to type anything because optional. Create authorizer. Done. Authorizer. Click into it. The token values. What's the token value? You can remember I've mentioned in previous video. Yes, we can get it from here of the token. Control A, Control C, and Control V. Test it. It's worked. 200. Okay, next step. Create the new resource and methods. So the first two steps we have been we have been going very well. The first, create a new resource as a method resource here. Create resource type rise, right? The rise, sorry. Resource path. Remember CORS we have enabled. It means just like API needs to call across those domain. Across the domain CORS, so just like guardians inside your browser, some just foreigner come into your domain. You just want to block it or annul it inside your domain. So CORS just like guardians for our website. Create resource. Okay. Here's the resource files. Here. Refresh the page. We can see the path. Great. Has already. Okay, you can just give a great method. The method is post. Okay. And the integration type is lambda function. Remember it, right? And Synaptic trackbots use lambda proxy integration. Okay. In Synaptic regions, you have been using throughout the tutorials for lambda regions. Okay. Everything is fine. Remember, this is ARNs for the function. Here is number functions regions. We do our projects here, and the function is request unicorn. Okay, everything's by default, so no need to modify. Remember, and create methods. Everything's fine, seemingly. So the methods is lambda clients. Okay, this is the API will be the medians between the client size and the lambda. Okay. Okay, this is methods request, right? Okay, well, right here, and I added it. I want to choose the connect to user pools authorizer as a while raise again. Okay, by default, save. Okay, and deploy the API, right? Okay, deploy API here. You guys see it? And then select a new stage. The stage name, give it develop. Okay, deploy. Everything is ready. Could you see invoke URL? We just copy it down. Basically, we did it, create a new resource method, deploys our API, and we need to update our website configs. We got this URL, and go to the code commit. Okay, code commit. Repository, this is a file, and then go to a JS file, configs.js, and here added it. Remember this invoke URL, we just want to make a connection between yes, the website and the API, right? So here you just copy it, paste as a plain text. Okay, it's great, everything is fine. I change it, so I need to leave my personal information. It doesn't matter, it's commit changes. Something we need to be careful. Okay. Be careful what? Because of you know, the RG's versions needs to be modified. You just go back to the codes and write HTML and then added it here. Added it. We need to be sure the version that you have 4.3. Okay, we searched 2 places within this script. 4.6, yes, it's update. 4.6 is update. So everything is fine here. We no need to modify anything. But be careful, maybe later on, maybe after years, maybe after a couple of years, the versions will change all the time. So we need to make sure the version is updated. I modify it, so leave my name, do the same thing. When you commit changes, the metrics will be fine. Sorry, I didn't do anything here, so no need to commit changes. Okay, discuss. And we go back to the amplify, and we know it's our website again. We know it. You see the magics? We need to be careful to sign in the sign and our with our email sign in. Okay. Just go back here, we refresh it. Maybe it needs some time to update. Okay. Silent. Do this again. So I just made some mistakes, so can't make it work. But after I fix it, it did work. So you just refresh the page. Why I just I need to be sure something that has been done. Just like go back resource, and the path must be create the source, you remember, and then the write and an option, and then choose the post. And because I just made the post before the write, so it makes the page become just show the error. So just we construct the APIs again to make sure the path is correct, so that you just modify the page again, and suppose it will work. Okay, just like I here, and I just request Uber, just like a unicorn, request unicorn, just arrive immediately. Very simple this way. And try something great. Go to Canada, where? Maybe here, wherever you go, you just call it. It's okay. Just comes to it immediately. Amazing, right? So that's the project I just demonstrate today. We can just go back to the DB table, just rise and just go here. Okay, everything is fine. I can just call the unicorns as I love. So I think you just build up a couple of projects. At least you can shows your employer you really know something about AWS platform. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time.